Yeah. We defend to the end, tell a friend. Mega Ray. Large-scale industries depend on drones, they're like essential. But all it takes is one rogue to turn it consequential. Terror attacks to random acts of destruction. A drone going bad can spell a massive disruption. Without the right counter technology, honestly, things fall apart from security to economy. That's why we defend, turn problems to solutions. Precise execution, a swift resolution. So let me set the stage and apprise you of the threat. If ignored, it's just spinning the barrel during roulette. A drone is more than a flying camera on the set. With a nefarious aim, the danger is unchecked. Just imagine, let's say a plane is approaching landing. A drone clips the wing and the danger is now expanding. Now what if it was lined with explosives and closes on an unsuspecting convoy of soldiers? Unauthorized drones hovering above innocent citizens. It's all over the net like a player at Wimbledon. I'm picturing the downtown sold out event. Radio controlled aircraft could bring a halt to it. So I ask, how does anybody plan to counteract it? The engineers that defend have tackled it and cracked it. I ask, how does anybody plan to counteract it? The engineers that defend have tackled it and cracked it. Defend offers detection and mitigation. Cyber technology to assist many nations. EnforceAir, never take vacations. Keeping people safe is a preoccupation. Defend offers detection and mitigation. Cyber technology to assist many nations. EnforceAir, never take vacations. Keeping people safe is a preoccupation. Control the drone, control the threat. Radio puppet strings, bind a drone easily. Take hold of the tech. Why expend the ammunition? Instead, acquiring the drone asset will only serve to bolster your position. EnforceAir, the counter drone solution. Defensive revolutions, stay prepared and aware of any intrusions. It's non-jamming, non-kinetic, so any rogue deployed gets disabled. Legit flights are unaffected. Detect the threat, locate and track, identify the rogue, then take control as a whole of the FLYEST tech. And it's only just starting. As drone tech proliferates, advances, defend, continuously bruise enhancements. The drone market's still growing. They're now essential. Both industries, large and small, see the potential. But the market penetration needs preservation. D-Fend Solutions got the tools to guard the population. All it takes is one rogue to violate your privacy. Heed this advisory. D-Fend has provided the tools to prevent operational misuses, limiting abuses, eliminate the nuisance. D-Fend offers detection and mitigation. Cyber technology to assist many nations. EnforceAir, never take vacations. Keeping people safe is a preoccupation. D-Fend offers detection and mitigation. Cyber technology to assist many nations. EnforceAir, never take vacations. Keeping people safe is a preoccupation. Event rap, where you at? D-Fend. It's time to speed, succeed, and exceed in 2022. D-Fend up, rogue drones down.